Guillermo, wala. Kanya ulit, 2 points. On the left side, Big Manuel. Oh, si Big Manuel yan, oh. Uh-oh! Oh, bali-bali. Good. Relax ng sertan. Wala. Wala, kapigan. Two points para kay Big Manuel. All two. Si Basel man, no? 3 points! Long hair ka na, Katie, ha? Katie! Uh-oh! Number 14, saves! Kapitan! Pass break opportunity to number 27. Number 27, pull up J. Too short. Take it na bola, number 12. Kid. Back to number 8, number 8. Yes, sir. 4-2. Cross over to Harvey. Harvey, back to Big Manuel. On the right side, 80. Wala! Bessie, back to number 27 again. Bessie, one dribble free. Yes, sir. Automatic. Line balls. Opponent's ball. Score natin, 6-2. Good. Good yan, good yan. No good. Harvey Diretso, ayan siya. Ken Guillermo on the left side. Number 6 to number 27 to number 6. Big Manuel. Mr. Basselman. Number 40. Number 6. Garcia. On the right side, Bessie to number 27. What a look by Bessie. And converts by Bahan. Number 27. 8-2. Number 40 to number 31. Pull up. Mista. Wala. Fast break opportunity again. Too strong. Last 8 minutes and 30 seconds in the game. Number 40. Inside to Harvey. Harvey. Katie. Wala. Guillermo. Kid. At tuloy mo, Kid. Oy. Sayang. Last 8 minutes and 10 seconds in the game. 8-2. Harvey stops to Katie. One dribble after. 3. Wala. Fast break opportunity to Bahan. No good. To number 40. Number 40. To Katie. Katie inside. No good. To Ken. To Garcia. Garcia. Lefty. No good. Kapitan. Opponent's ball. Good. Fast ball. Number 43. Too short. Kabila ang bola. Katie. Oy! Ito si Martin. So Bessie. 6.8. Fast break na naman. 3 points. Automatic. 11-2. RB. Ayan na! Yari kayo! 11-4. Nakapuin doon eh. Bessie. Too strong. Change score. Change score, change score. Change score. 4-11. Last 6 minutes and 20 seconds in the game. Oops. Inside. Tupik Manuel. Spin. Damasiban. Patay. 6-11. Damasiban. Uy, Bensin. Nice try. Damartin. Isa pa. Sayang. Crossover. KD. Uy. Inside to number 14. Number 14. Big Manuel. Muscle up. Sayang. Uy. Ang lupit. Uy. Uy na na. Same ball. Bensin, okay na naman. Patay kayo. So good. Kay KD ang bola, KD. Anong gagawin mo? Speeds? Wow! 8-11. Good. Number 14. Number 14. Uy. KD. Ayan na. Tatabi. Tumahan. Bahan. 2 points. 13-8. Number 40, long pass inside to Harvey. Harvey. Tapikan. Dan Martin. Ayan naman si Dan Martin. Oy! Good. Inside. 10-13. And Guillermo. Inside na number 6 to number 16. Bessie. Tabi. Big Manuel. Oy! Tilikod pa. 2 points. 12-13. Isa na lang naman oh. Nahabol ha. Last 4 minutes in the game. Bessie on the right side. And Guillermo. Nowhere to go. Number 40. Lalaman kaya sila? Oy! Good! Number 6. Dire-diretso. Wala. Number 31. Tubig Manuel. Oh, masila. Place! Lamang na. 40-13. Change favor. Minaselap na kayo. Bessie. Spins. Uh-oh! Nakalusot! Pagdagalaw! Sayang ka! Number 31 to number 14. Number 14 to number 30. Tops to KD. KD, anong gagawin mo? Uy, RB. Back to KD. Sure ball. 16-13. Lamang na tatlo. Ang depensa. Grabe ah. 10-0 run in 3 minutes. Bessie for 3. There's a foul. Sumame. 3 free throws rewarded para kay Bessie. First throw. No good. Second throw. No good. Yes, sir. On the third one. 14-16. Last 2 minutes of the game. RV, Bailey. Tinutok na nila. Trumabaho na si Rasalan. Wow! 2 free throws. Mahirap talaga pigilan niya. Unang pukol. No good. Yun. 3-point lead. 17-14. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds in the game. Uh-oh. Stolen. Nick Manuel. Sinurbo na. Yari kayo. 19-14. Bahan. Lays 2 points, 21-14. Number 5. Big Manuel. Oy, Ingram. Good pass. Save ball. Opponent's ball. Opponent's ball. Last 25 seconds. Again. Uh-oh. Yari kayo. No good. 3-point. Wala. Last 10 seconds. 3-point. 17-21. Last 5 seconds. 4. Game ball. Counted. 23-17.